Hello guys, welcome to this session. Our topic is current electricity. In the past video, we discussed about the resistance. We saw the concept of resistance. We also discussed the various factors that can affect the resistance of a conductor. Now today, let's see the Ohm's law. We'll start with the concept of Ohm's law. Now, the Ohm's law, we have to know that the property of conductors that oppose the flow of electric charges, that is resistance. It depends mainly on the relationship between the current and the voltage across their ends, as it was discovered by George Ohm. Now, he observed that the voltage across a conductor was in direct proportion to the electric current that flows through it, provided that the temperature and the other physical conditions of the conductor were kept constant. So he observed and saw that the current uh, flowing through a conductor was uh, proportional to the voltage across a given conductor, given that the temperature and the other physical conditions of such conductor were kept constant. Now, hence, he came up with this, and it can be described or in the formula where you can say that the voltage times current. Now, from there, we get that the constant is the one that is R, that is the constant of proportionality. So from there, you can say that voltage equals to current times resistance, where that R is the constant of proportionality. So it is shortly or abbreviated as V equals to IR. Now this constant is what we call the resistance, and the above relationship is known as the Ohm's law. So from there, you can get that resistance R equals to potential difference PD across the conductor, dividing current through the conductor. Now, therefore, the resistance of 1 ohm is obtained when a potential difference maybe of 1 uh, voltage cause a current of 1 ampere to flow in a circuit. Now, Ohm's law, as it can be illustrated in an Ohm's law triangle, whereby at the top there's a voltage V, at the sides there is current and resistance. So from there you can derive all the equations to find the maybe voltage, resistance, or current. So from there, voltage V equals to IR, current times resistance. Resistance equals to V upon I. Resistance equals to voltage divided by current, and the I current is equals to voltage V divided by R. Now, let's see how this Ohm's law can be stated. The Ohm's law states that at a constant temperature and the other physical factors, the potential difference across the end is in direct proportion to the current passing through a conductor. So that's simply how you can state an Ohm's law. So I hope it's clear, guys. Thank you for listening. In this video, we've simply discussed the Ohm's law. We've seen how the relationship of voltage, uh, current, and resistance leads to this Ohm's law, and we've seen the how you can set the Ohm's law and the Ohm's law triangle. Thank you.